living in DIMA, HASAO, KARBI Anglong and West KARBI Anglong. In view of the bad works that have been done and they are doing by the BJP, we want to defeat the BJP and to save the people in our land. So we request all the people of DIMA, HASAO, KARBI Anglong and West KARBI Anglong to vote for the alliance partners in all the 3 districts. Thank you. Don Rap Marliatum, Jirpo Jirpiatum, KARBI Anglong, West KARBI Anglong, Pen DIMA, HASAO, Angbong Tiduatum. Ilitum Chini lo la BJP atum, Inglong Arab atum pan, along le la penakaida, kapi virgia pan alang litum, claim bomb lo, aku claim ujilang, la posi alang litum, apan, election non kewang election hut, alang litum BJP apan perem nanji, la posi nelichoning rilo, la alliance partner atum, alliance atum along, apan le nang litum la long thom a district along ta nang litum vote pinot pusi neli choning rilo. Pardon.